guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayleigh, in case you didn't know that, and today I'm going to be doing an updated what is in my kit video. So yeah, I'm basically going to show you all the things that I have in my kit. Just a little disclaimer, I am still adding to my kit, so there may be things that you know, you would expect to be in my kit but isn't in my kit. So there are a few things in my kit that I am still lacking and still need to add to, as well as there's a whole bunch of stuff that has like run out and I need to buy more. So yeah, this is just what works for me, and yeah, my kit is entirely cruelty free, and yeah, I'm just gonna get into it, I guess. So first things first, the bag that I use to carry everything is the Kayleigh Zuka case. I will have a video linked down of me showing you the case and how I packed my case, but yeah, the case is amazing. I love the case, it's amazing. But yeah, the first thing that I have in my kit is just a towel. That is just so that if I am out and I'm using someone else's surface, I want to protect that, so I use a towel to prevent any damage to it with my products. So yeah, so this is just my brush set. This set is by Creative Glamour, so ta-da. I have added a few other brushes from various other brands, but yeah, they all are fake, so they are not real animal hair. They are synthetic, so yeah. Next up, I have my alcohol spray. This is just to clean my brushes when they get dirty, and then I also have a surface disinfectant for, you know, to cleaning down the surfaces, especially during Corona. Yeah, so have those two. Then I keep this little container just for if I am not near like a bin. So I just use this to put any dirt or rubbish that I have, any tissues, any pencil shavings, anything really, to go into here. Okay, starting off with skin prep. I'm going to kind of do this in a little bit of an order, or I'm going to try to, but yeah, so starting off with my first bag that has all of my skincare in it. The first thing I have are baby wipes. I use these just to clean down the person's face if they have any like dirt or anything. I find that I don't use them that often, but they're always nice to have. Yeah, I bought baby wipes because they didn't have facial wipes, but I mean, facial wipes are also really good, but either or, they do the job. Then I have a micellar water by Freeman. This one's pretty good. It has a Bulgarian rose flavor, and then I also have this little container that has cotton buds as well as cotton pads, and yeah, I always just use it to clean down the person's face before I start doing makeup. I also have a little hand sanitizer. This one's almost finished, but I need to get a new one, so yeah. Up next, I have the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. This one smells really good. I use this on myself pretty much every single day, so yeah, it's just a nice little touch to add. And then I have the Creative Glamour Setting Spray. Like I said, my kit's going to be all over the place at the moment, but it works for me, so yeah, I know this goes right at the end, but yeah, I have this. This one's alright. I do find that when it leaks, it makes things very sticky in my kit. That's why it's in this bag, because yeah, it doesn't have any other products that this would kind of ruin, but yeah. Yeah. Okay, then I have this Salon Care moisturizer. This one's pretty good. It smells really, really nice, and I mean, it's pretty alright, but yeah, there are better ones on the market. I'm just trying to finish this. I don't want to just throw it away. It works, but it's not the best, so that's why I'm just trying to get rid of it and get a new one, so yeah. Okay, now moving on to my foundation and more skin prep, I guess. Yeah. So this has my primers. I have the Urban Decay Urban Defense Complexion Primer. This one is very, very good. It's very expensive, but it's very, very good. And then I also have the Creative Glamour Mattifying Face Primer. This one's also pretty good. I don't have much left on this one, but I do prefer this one, but it's just very expensive. This one's more cost effective, but you know, I mean, yeah. Then I have my skin illuminators. I have the LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator, as well as the Yardley Radiant Glow Illuminator. So yeah, those are the best that I've used so far. Then I don't know why I have an eyeshadow primer in here, but I have an Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This one's really, really good as well. I mean, yeah. Oops, I dropped it. Okay, when it comes to foundation, I use my Kryolan foundation. These foundations are amazing. I will never ever not stand by them. So yeah, I have those. I also have a couple refills in here, which obviously I haven't put in because I haven't finished the product in here. But yeah, I normally just keep a few refills in this bag just because you never know. Yeah, these foundations, I have enough in here for at least one more person, but you never know when you might end up doing more than you expect. So I like to keep backup of foundations. So yeah. Next up, I have 3 of the Smashbox contour sticks. So I have the step-by-step contour stick, the highlighter stick, and the bronze stick. So yeah, those are pretty good. So I have a fixing powder and a translucent powder. Yeah, one's more of like a orangey yellowy tone, and one is just a white. So yeah. Then I have this little puffy thing. I don't know what you call this thing. Spongy poof. I don't know why I just want to call it poof. I don't even know if that's the right name for it. But anyway, this is just so that if I'm leaning on the person's skin, I'm not touching them with my bare hands. So yeah. Then finally, again, I don't know why this is in my skin bag, but it fits really nicely. This is just my lip palette. This is one of these things that I need to expand on. I have to get more lipsticks because these ones are they're okay, but they're not great. And I'm looking for great. So this is the Creative Glamour lip palette. Yeah, I don't know, they're alright, they're decent. So yeah. Okay, this is the exciting part for me. These are my eyeshadows. Actually, no, they're not all eyeshadows. I do have a highlighter palette. This is my Morphe, what is this? DD. So yeah, that's just a highlighter palette. Love it. But yeah. Okay, the next palette I have is this SLA palette. I haven't used this on a client. I don't think I am going to, just because this is actually a hand-me-down, and I put it into my kit because I didn't see myself using it personally. So I just put it in my kit, but I recently just realized that it's just really not well kept. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to use it on a client, but what I'll show you anyway because it's in my kit. But yeah, I'm going to take this out because yeah, it just doesn't deserve to be here. It's not as high quality. So next up, I have 3 Creative Glamour palettes. These are really cost effective. They work really well. But yeah, I do want to upgrade them. I would love to get some Morphe palettes. But yeah, the budget does not allow that. So this is my color palette. It works well. All of these palettes work really well. If they didn't, they wouldn't be in my kit, except for the case of that one palette that I am now taking out. But yeah, this is my neutral palette. Yeah, and then I have one more, which is my shimmer palette, and I love this palette. This is one palette that I will not get rid of, just because it's so beautiful. So, and then my final palette is my Switch Beauty Bubble Blush. If there's any product that I can recommend to you, it's this. This product is just so beautiful. So yeah, it works really well. I just love it. It looks so dewy and so beautiful, and yeah, I can't. Up next, we're moving on to eyes. So yeah, I'm gonna jump in with the very first thing that's on top. This case is a little bit of a mess, but yeah, I have my lash glue. This is the Eyelure Lash Fix Clear Finish. I actually haven't tried this one. Oh wait, have I? I can't remember if I've tried this one or not. But yeah, I just know that Eyelure is normally quite good, except I don't like their latex free one. That one's the only one I don't like, but generally speaking, Eyelure is quite good. Okay, then I have disposable mascara ones. I actually need to get some more because I don't even know if I can use these 2 because this packet is just looking gross. So yeah, I need to get more mascara ones. Next up, I have some false eyelashes. These are by Eyelash Boutique, and they are the wispy ones. So yeah, they are so beautiful. I love these lashes so much. But underneath, I just have some business cards because yeah, I honestly didn't know where else I could put them in my kit, so they are just in my eyelash box. Jumping back to what do you call these things? Eyeshadow palettes. I have my NYX eyeshadow palettes. I have Smoky and Highlight, Cool Neutrals, and warm neutrals. So yeah, yeah. Then I have two mascaras. This one I'm actually gonna throw away because I got this in college. And this is, oh, I'm not even gonna tell you what this is. This is a cheapy, gross one. I'm just okay, bye. Then I have this. This is Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof. This is quite good. Yeah, and it's surprising because it's Essence, and Essence is not a very great brand. It's not really known for its quality, so yeah, but this is actually really good. Then I have my Kryolan Multi-Gel. This is really good. It's really nice for like glitters, and like my trick dancers, I use it for glitter eyes all the time. So yeah, speaking of glitters, I have all of my glitters. So yeah, I have a whole bunch of Creative Glamour glitters. I find that they are the best. So for coarse glitters, I have these little glitter pot things. This is in the shade 1, and this was in shade number 3, and shade number 11 is this beautiful like aqua greeny blue shade. Oh, beautiful. And then I have this gold in 14. So yeah, those are my coarse glitters. I'm gonna have glitter all over my hands now. And then these, these products, I'm sorry, these are absolutely beautiful. These are the Creative Glamour shimmers, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. Oh, it's beautiful. And then I have Olive, which is quite an interesting shade. And then I have Rose. This is like one of my favorite shades. And then finally we have a Gold Glitz. So yeah, I have those. And then I have this coarse glitter by Kryolan. I haven't really used this all that much. I think I may have used it once. It's just very out there. It's just this multicolored glitter. So yeah, haven't really used it, unfortunately. Next, I have this little container, and it has quite a lot in it. So I have this Essence Eyebrow Gel. It's alright. It's good for like very, very natural makeup looks. But yeah, that's about it. Then I have this Creative Glamour eyeliner, gel eyeliner, in the shade 01. It's black. Yeah, that is holy grail of eyeliners. Perfect. I don't use anything else when it comes to eyeliner. And then I have a sharpener. I have 2 pairs of tweezers. Yeah, just to pluck any rogue hairs. This is this eyelash glue that I don't really like anymore. This is the latex-free Alia Superfix Clear Finish eyelash glue. It works, but it's not the greatest. And yeah, I have it in my kit because if someone is allergic to latex, then I can't use my other one. So that's why this is here. Then I have eyelash tweezers. So yeah, I don't really like this color. But yeah, this is from Creative Glamour. Okay, I don't know why these are in my kit because these are actually not cruelty free. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw them away. But yeah, I think I was given that in my kit in college, and I just haven't gotten rid of them because I haven't replaced them. So yeah, and I just never use pencil eyeliners. Like those were all pencil eyeliners and pencil lip liners. I just never use them for some reason, and I really need to get in the habit of using like a lip liner or, you know, a pencil eyeliner, because some people ask for them. And yeah, when it comes to eyeliner, I normally just go for a gel, even though people ask me for pencils. So yeah, but I should really get some more. But yeah, anyway. Okay, moving on to, those are all my products that I have. Moving on to other things I keep in my kit. I do keep little hair clips because yeah, sometimes people have all these loose hairs, and then I just need to clip it out the way so I can actually get to a person's face. So these are really easy, they're easy to sanitize, so yeah, I just keep those in my kit. Something else I keep in my kit is a client consultation form. So this literally just has a whole bunch of things that I make my clients tick off just to make sure that they don't have any things. That's when I will find out if someone has like a latex allergy. So yeah, very, very, very important thing to have. Another thing I have recently added to my kit is this solid brush cleaner. This is the Pink Cosmetics solid brush cleaner. This product is amazing. It works really, really well at deep cleansing your brushes. The reason why I have it in my kit instead of like at home is because I do move to different places quite often. So yeah, I need to be able to have this to be able to clean my brushes. Otherwise they just stay dirty. Like how I've left them, and I haven't cleaned them for some reason, but yeah, I need to. I'm just lazy for some reason, but anyway, this is my brush cleaner. The last thing that I have in my kit is paper towels, and I don't actually have any on me at the moment. I need to go and get more, but I usually have those there because yeah, when you clean your brushes, it's really, really sanitary to have that on your table. So yeah, I clean my brushes on there. Yeah, if there's anything dirty, I kind of just put it on there instead of keeping it on the towel and contaminating the towel. So yeah, it's just all like sanitary things that you need to remember. So yeah, but that is pretty much my entire kit. I know that there is a huge thing that is lacking, which is lips. I really don't have a lot of products for lips, which is it's really bad. Because yeah, I always have a problem when it comes to lips, but yeah, I'm wanting to get a new lip palette, and I'm wanting to buy a whole bunch of lip liners and lip balms as well, and lip glosses. I usually have a lip gloss, but it finished, but yeah, I really need to up my game when it comes to lips. So yeah, but that's pretty much everything in my kit. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any other product recommendations, if you think that there's one product that I have that isn't that great and you have a recommendation that you think is better. Please just let me know, because I'm always wanting to try new products and add new products to my kit and up my product game. I just thought it would be interesting to share, because my entire kit is cruelty free, and I try and do my best when it comes to making sure that everything is cruelty free. Then again, there are times when I do slip up, like all of those eyeliners that I had in my kit are not cruelty free, and I don't know why I put them in my kit. So yeah, now that I have gone through my kit and thrown them out, we are now sure that my kit is cruelty free. So yeah, but that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week with an all new video. Bye guys.